I'm just glad it's not
Anyhow.
blowing right at my face anymore.
Oh, it's blowing away from us tonight. That's
Yeah,
good.
it's good. Good thing.
We were really lucky to get good weather, man.
We had awesome weather.
Just about perfect, especially when we were hiking. If it was any warmer, who was hiking?
You know what was so weird though? It's like I sweated here and my ears were frozen.
Yeah.
My nose was frozen, but I was sweaty here.
Really?
I was like, oh my god. It was so odd. I'd be cold and like ice cold in some spots and then really hot.
Can you hear that?
We didn't even do our paraffin stuff.
Well, mine is old and icky. We'd have to
Oh,
dump it and reset it.
The other stuff is heated up.
I think it's ready to roll. Deb's is.
The one in the bathroom was Lisa's?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that was pretty gross.
It was. I don't know what got in there. I don't know what got in there. But it sat on my shelf for a long time. But you can't get it out of there until you heat it up.
Dump it completely, right?
Yeah, until you dump it completely out.
Yeah.
Gosh.
I don't know what we got into last time.
Yeah. Did you look under your fingernails lately?
I don't think those are
It don't
fingernails.
take probably much to get them
No.
dirty, you know?
Uh-uh.
Well, I figure all the old skin.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know. Look at that face.
Going like
yeah.
a volcano or something.
Oh.
No, I have
There's stuff that keeps shooting up. You
There's
just have
no
that.
flame. There's no flame,
sign
it's
it.
just a big pile of
We're
embers.
filling the amount.
I have cans.
I think we need to sign 5 checks, Connie.
Yeah.
But get that ready and come paraffin. Let's go do that. Get that